Ready to unleash the power of cutting-edge AI? Let's get you set up with DeepSeek AI in just a few simple steps. First things first, we need an account. Navigate to the official DeepSeek AI website. Look for the Sign Up or Get Started button. Click on it to begin the registration process. You'll be presented with a straightforward registration form. Enter your preferred email address, create a strong, secure password, and choose a unique username. Make sure to agree to the terms of service, and then hit that Submit button. Once registered, you'll want to explore DeepSeek's subscription options depending on your needs. A circumflex euros. Whether you're a solo developer, a small team, or a large enterprise, a circumflex euros. DeepSeek offers flexible plans. Review the features and pricing for each tier to select the best fit for your projects. Now for the exciting part, accessing the API. After selecting and subscribing to a plan, head to your user dashboard. You should find a dedicated section for API keys. Click on the Generate New API Key option. This key is your gateway to integrating DeepSeek's AI into your applications. Your unique API key will now be displayed. Treat this key like a password. A circumflex euros. Keep it secure and do not share it publicly. You'll typically see a Copy Key button, making it easy to paste this into your development environment. And that's it. With your account registered, subscription active, and API key in hand, you are ready to start building incredible things with DeepSeek AI. Explore their documentation and get ready to innovate.